Hello beautiful people and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Muskan and I would really appreciate if you will take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Today we are creating a very easy brown eye look. This eye look can be worn with any kind of dress, even it's a party dress, normal day dress, or wedding, anything. First I'm going to prime my eyes. You can prime it with your foundation, concealer, but I'm using eye primer from NYX Cosmetic. I'm going to prep my eyebrows off camera because otherwise the video is going to be very long. Yeah, that's it. And I'm just going to take a light brown shade for a transition shade. You need to keep in mind that a transition shade is very important because it needs to be light, and it will be good if it will be like nearly to your skin tone. Now we are going to take a bit dark brown, like not dark but a bit darker than your skin tone. Now I'm going to blend it on my whole crease, just like that. Blending is the key for a nice eye look. That's it. If you can blend it, you can get a great eye look. Now I'm going back with the same transition shade and I'm going to buff out because I don't need no harsh lines. That's it. Do you see how natural it looks? You can finish your eye look over here, but I'm going to go with the dark brown just to create a big dark shadow on my corners. Do you see the corners? Yeah, that's what I want. If you don't want it, I don't mind. You can finish the eye look there with put on some glitter and that's it. But I like to darken my corners. I'm going to pack in the dark brown shadow just to give a bit nice look. But now I'm going to show you some difference. Look, I'm going to use the transition color and you will see in a minute how the transition shade changed the whole eye look. Do you see? The eye look is coming together with just using the transition shade. The transition shade shall be according to your own skin tone. It can be either your setting powder or any lighter color in your eyeshadow palette. Now we are going in with the glitter. I'm going with the gold, but you can go with any glitter according to the dress you are wearing. I'm just showing you with the gold because I think so the gold is the color which will go with every dress, right? And this eye look will preferably go with all desi outfits, definitely. If you have any special requests, you can just DM me on my Instagram. The link of my Instagram will be down in the description box. Now I'm going in with the brush. It's not needed if you don't need it, but I like to create a bit of shape of the glitter just to create a nice, neat, clear glitter look. And I'm going with a little detail brush and taking a mid brown shade and I'm going to put it under my eyes, just like that. And then I will go later with the dark brown, the same dark brown I put it on the corners of my eye. This eye look is so easy, you can just create it in just 5 to 10 minutes. It won't take long. I'm just putting a bit more glitter in my eye corners just to make my eyes big. Now finishing up with my favorite eyeliner. This is from Huda Beauty called Lifeliner, and of course my favorite mascara. You will see this mascara is a whole game changer. It got two ends and you don't need false lashes after applying this mascara. And I think I'm talking too much, but it's okay, bear with me. Do you see that difference? Just look at the difference. I don't have such long lashes. I have really small eyelashes, but this mascara is a whole game changer. It's worth the price. Now I'm going to put on some blush. This is from NYX Cosmetics. It's in the shade number 4. I'm just going to tap in because I don't want to add lots of colors. This is my favorite highlighter. I swear I haven't used this palette so much for my eyes, but I have used this highlighter for my every look I have created. I love this highlighter. See, it goes with my skin tone. Now I'm applying NYX Cosmetics liquid lipstick. I'm so confused about this lipstick. You can see in the whole video the lip shade is so different than the shown. Now I will show you. This was supposed to be the lipstick, but it's more of the pink, not the brown. I like more of the brown shades because I believe they suit me better. But this is more in the pink shade, but I guess it was okay, but it was not going with the look, but that's alright. Now I'm just going to fix my hairs, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time with a new video, and don't forget to turn on the notification so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Take care, stay safe, see you soon, bye bye.